High Yield Savings Account. Checklist. Fast and complete. 1. Choose one bank. Click link to apply. Pick one to open now. All are FDIC insured and high yield. SoFi checking and savings. Highest combined rate and easy setup. https www.sofi.com banking. Checking savings. Ally Online Savings. Trusted no fees. https www.ally.com bank online. Savings account, Capital One, 360 Performance Savings. https www.capitalone.com bank. Savings accounts, Discover Online Savings. https www.discover.com online. Banking savings. Marcus High Yield Savings. https www.marcus.com. USCN Savings. High Yield Savings. 2. Prepare your documents: government ID, U.S. driver's license or state ID, or U.S. passport social security number, SSN. Must have SSN to open U.S. bank account online for legal verification, phone and email. A phone number you can receive SMS, OTP, active email for alerts and login setup, funding source info. You'll link your current bank account to fund this new savings account. Routing number, account number. You can find these on your checks or in your current bank's app. Optional, but recommended. Proof of address if needed. Utility bill, lease, or mail with your name. Plus address 3. Open account online. Follow this order. Step A. Go to the bank's website. Use the links above to land on the official sign-up page. Important. Ensure the URL starts with https, JOS, and the bank name. No ads links. Step B. Start application. Click Open account or Get started. Step C. Enter your personal info. Fill in full legal name, SSN, date of birth, address, phone and email. Create secure password. Step D. Verify identity, upload or take a photo of your ID if requested. Most banks only need SSN plus name matching. Banks may ask a quick selfie photo of your ID. Look for prompts in the Appiat website. Step E. Link funding bank. Enter your current bank's routing number, account number. You can choose to fund immediately or after account opens. Step F. Fund your new account. Choose one of these options. Instant transfer, up to $1,000, or standard ACH transfer, 1 to 3 business days. Best option if available. Instant transfer, so your new account starts earning interest right away. Step G. Review and submit. Double check. Your name, SSN funding bank info, terms and interest rate, APY. Then hit submit. Confirm. 4. Set up mobile banking after creation. Download the bank's app from App Store or Google Play. Log in with the username and password you made. Enable notifications, balances, and deposits. 5. Optional savings boost setup. Auto deposit. Set automatic monthly transfers from your checking. Savings. $50, $100, $200 per month. This helps your savings grow automatically with compounding interest. 6. What to expect next: account activation. Immediate or within a few hours. Full funding, 1 to 3 business days. If standard transfer, interest starts on the date the funds land in your new savings account. Checklist summary. Task done. Pick a bank. Prepare documents. Start application. Enter personal info. Verify identity, link funding account. Fund account. Download mobile app. Set up auto deposit. Extra safety and smart tips. Always check that the URL is official before entering info. Don't click banking links from emails unless verified. Use a strong, unique password. Plus enable 2FA SMS alerts. Save screenshots of account opening confirmation. Frequent questions. Q. Do I need SSN? Yes, banks require SSN to verify identity. Q. Can I open this without a checking account? Yes, but linking a checking account makes funding immediate. Q. Is my money insured? Yes. High-yield online banks are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor.